Hey, I'm Tom from Powerin, the AI tool that grows your LinkedIn and X audience naturally through automated comments. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your LinkedIn account to Powerin in under 2 minutes. So let's dive in. Once you are connected into Powerin, go to the Account tab. Inside, click Connect New Account, then click Install Chrome extension. That extension is what allows Powerin to act on your behalf safely without storing your credentials. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Hit Add to Chrome and confirm. Once installed, you'll be automatically redirected back to the Connected Account tab inside Powerin. Now click Connect New Account again, but this time Powerin detects the Chrome extension. You'll see the connection flow activate. Open LinkedIn by clicking on Connect LinkedIn Account. It will open LinkedIn. Wait a few seconds, and once you'll see the toast appear, that's it, your LinkedIn account is now connected. You'll see it under your connected account list with a green statue indicator that say it's active. Okay, now if you want to connect a second LinkedIn account, because with this new version, you can connect unlimited LinkedIn account, the process is slightly different, and here exactly how to do it. LinkedIn doesn't allow multiple accounts in the same Chrome session, so here's a workaround. Open a new Chrome profile, not a new tab, but a new profile session, so it's easy. You click here, you will click Add a Chrome profile. Once you are on your new session, you'll just have to go to Powerin into the login page, then you connect to your Powerin account. And once you are connected into your Powerin account, the process is the same. You go to Account, you click Connect New Account, you install the Chrome extension, you add to Chrome, add the extension. Once the extension is installed, you can go back to Powerin, you click Connect New Account. The extension have been detected, so you click Connect LinkedIn Account. You'll be redirected to your other LinkedIn account, and you just have to wait for the toast to appear also. And once the toast have appeared, you can go back into Powerin and your account is successfully connected. And now you can go back to your main Chrome session, can refresh, and now you can manage all your LinkedIn account through your main Chrome session. And that's all it takes. Install the extension once per Chrome profile, connect as many LinkedIn accounts as you need. And if you want to know how to launch your first keyword campaign, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.